Hey there, first grade. So for today, we're going to learn a new song and we're going to need a number line. So go get a whiteboard or a piece of paper or something that you can draw a number line on it from 1 to 13. Pause the video right now and go do that. Okay, are we back? So you got your number line all set up, and I'm going to switch over to here. And here's how we're going to learn our new song. I'd like you to start with your finger on number 5. So point at number 5 with your finger, and we're just going to go 5, 6, 5, back and forth like that. 5, 6, 5. Okay, now I'm going to start on 5, and I'm going to jump over 4 and go to 3. So going from 5 to 3. Just practice that little jump a few times, jumping backwards down. Alright, so we're going to take those 3, and I'm just going to circle number 5, number 4, oh, sorry, not number 5 and 4, my fault, doop, doop. We're going to do 6, 5, and 3. I just want you to kind of circle those. And now, I'm going to draw a little song down here. It's going to go like this. Let's see if I can do it. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. Can you clap those numbers with me? 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. Okay, now take your finger and see if you can poke at that. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. Your turn. Let's do that again. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. Great. So now I'm going to take one of those numbers away, I think. I'm going to take away that 3. Can you play that one for me? 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. Your turn. Yep, and poke it with your finger. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. Awesome. So those are the two ideas that we're going to use in our song. So we're going to have this idea first. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. And then we're going to go and do the other one. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. All right? So they're not really very different, are they? So this is my A idea, and this is my A1 idea, because they're pretty identical. Alright, so we're just going to go back and forth. We're going to do this A idea first, and then this A1 idea. Do you want to clap it first? Okay, let's do that. Here we go. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. Now the other one. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. Now take your finger on your number line, and let's poke that. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. Pretty easy. Now I'm going to throw a little challenge at you, because we are going to do that exact same song, but we're going to start on a different number. Which number do you think we should start on this time? We started on 5 before. So let's start on, 8. Great idea. So 8, and then we went up a number. So 8, 8 to 9. Okay, 9, 9, back to 8, 8, and then down to where? 7? No, remember we skipped to get to the next number. So those are our new numbers. So we're going to go 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6, 6 as our A idea. And then how is it for the A1 idea? 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6. Okay, let's tap that out with our finger. Here we go. 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6, 6. 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6. Great. So your job on Seesaw this week is to show me your number line and circle the numbers that you're going to use, and then I want you to read it to me as you poke your number line out like this. So you should look like this when you do it. 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6, 6, 8, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 6. Just a little video of you doing that. Okay? You can pick any number you want to start on. It doesn't matter to me. So have some fun, and I'll see you over on Seesaw. Thanks.